Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make Gulabi Kebab, that is beetroot tikkies. These tikkies are made with beetroot and paneer. They are not only appealing but also taste so delicious. I made beetroot tikkies and also kola balls with the same dough. It is so easy to make at home. It is not fried. I used ape pan for roasting the kolas. Let's jump into the making. First, in a bowl, I'm adding 1 medium carrot grated, that is half a cup of it. Add 1 medium or 1.5 cups of grated beetroot. Next, I'm going to add 150 grams of paneer. Just crumble it with hands. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon dry mango powder. 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Half an onion finely chopped. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, adjust it according to your taste. 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. Add 2 tablespoons of oat flour at a time and make a non-sticky dough. The veggies release water when mixed with salt. Rest for 5 minutes and add oat flour only if needed. I used about 4 tablespoons of oat flour overall. You can easily make oat flour at home by grinding the oats. That is a better alternative for maida. Once you can make balls out of the mixture, we are good to go. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli powder. You can also add 2 chopped green chilies. Mix well. Now let's make the tikkies. I am going to make the tikkies with half of the dough. Just roll it out in your hands and press it. To the remaining mixture, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and mix well. Make kola balls with this mixture. I got about 8 beetroot kola balls. 8 tikkies are kebabs. Let's cook them now. In a hot tawa, drizzle some oil for making the kebabs. Place the kebabs onto the tawa. We need to cover and cook it for 2 minutes on either side. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove it from heat once done. Drizzle little oil in ape pan and roast the beetroot kola balls. See, it is so easy to whip. The oat flour binds the kebabs well. Flip over gently with a brush or with a spatula. Remove it with a spoon after 5 minutes. That's it. Our healthy and tasty beetroot snack is done. It turned out so delicious. I am sure your kids are going to love it. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. See how appealing it turned out. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description box. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.